if you have any use cases about how you built out something with monitoring pieces, I'd love to hear about that.
Yeah, so most of the work we do when we do build a more custom solution is usually based upon Kubernetes. Even the larger companies now have got there's a lot of traction for Kubernetes inside those companies, and so newer software is being built upon Kubernetes. So all of the tooling, the monitoring tooling that is currently being used for Kubernetes kind of finds itself landing in the data science scene as well. So there's lots of Prometheus, lots of Grafana, maybe even using sort of the Elastic Stack to do some of the work there, especially for the logging. And then, I mean, there are other proprietary companies as well, and I don't want to really name any but there are proprietary services out there that you can also hook into Kubernetes, which work really well. I think it's a very important part of the problem. And in fact, I think the valuations and the amount of money that some companies have got for just doing monitoring kind of highlights the fact that everybody needs monitoring. I think in terms of gaps, at the moment, we're kind of retrofitting software engineering tools to do the monitoring. So you're very reliant on basic statistics and also working with very low resolution monitoring data, kind of like single summary statistic type data to monitor your applications. And sometimes that's just not good enough. Quite often we're interested in distributions and representing distributions and comparing distributions and things like that. And if you do want anything like that, it ends up being a lot of custom code to be able to implement that. So yeah, I think there's a gap in the market for a slightly more focused, a monitoring solution that's more focused towards data science and ML.